Today I will be demonstrating how to multiply a mixed number times a fraction. So here we have a mixed number, and what makes it a mixed number is that you have a whole number and a fraction together. So the first thing we must do, we must change the mixed number into an improper fraction. So here we will do 3 times 1, which will give us 3, and 3 plus 2 will give us 5. So you will do 3 denominator times the whole number. 3 times 1 is 3. You would add that to 2, and that will give you 5. So you would have 5 over 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. And you keep your denominator. And we will bring down our multiplication symbol, and we will bring down 6 over 8. Now we have two fractions, and we can multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So you have 5 times 6. That will give you 30. And you have 3 times 8. That will give you 24. Okay, so 5 times 6 is 30. 3 times 8 is 24. This is still an improper fraction. It's not in simplest form. So I will have my students come over to the side. You're going to divide 24 into 30. So how many 24s are inside of 30? If you count by 24, you have 24. You have 48. So I know I can't go over 30, so I know it'll be 1 time. So 1 times 24 is 24. And then I will subtract. 10 take away 4 is 6. 2 take away 2 is 0. It's 1 whole. My remainder is my numerator. And I have my denominator. So 30 divided by 24 is 1 whole, 6 over 24. You start at the top, 1 whole, 6 over 24. This is still not in simplest form. So I ask my students to find the greatest common factor of 6 and 24. Greatest common factor, so you put down 6 and you put down 24. You find the equations, you find the factors that make 6. So we're going to have 1 times 6 and then 2 times 3. So what factors, what equations make 24? So I have 1 times 24. I will have 2 times 12. I will have 3 times 8. I will have 4 times 6. Now I'm looking to see what numbers do they have in common. Not what equations, but what numbers do they have in common. So I see both of them have a 1. Both have a 2. Both have a 3. Both have a 6. I will look through all the numbers that are underlined and determine which one is the greatest. 6 is the greatest. So I will circle 6. I will divide the numerator and the denominator by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 24 divided by 6 is 4. So 6 over 24 in simplest form is 1/4. You bring down your 1 whole, and you bring down your 1/4. So 1 whole 2/3 times 6/8 will give you 1 whole 1/4 in the simplest form. Thank you.